Hi. Okay, I just bought this surveillance camera. It's the Cobra HD color surveillance with night vision. And I got it installed. It came with this booklet right here. And I wanted to do this video because of the adjustments on here. I had to put it on the side of my home so I don't have any ceiling or roof to put it on to angle it, so I put it on the side of my house. It comes with two boxes, this box and this box. And now I'm gonna show you my TV screen. Okay, here's my TV screen, and we are looking through this camera right now from outside. This is the outside of my house, and we're looking at my yard. That's my yard over there. This is the camera right here, and I'm videotaping my TV on my phone for you. Well, earlier today, my yard was sideways, and I thought, oh my God, I needed to mount this under an eave or on top of the roof for it to work. And I thought, well, because I only saw two adjustments on there, and I thought, well, maybe I can take off the front, see that black part right there, and turn the lens or something, because you see the joint right there. Look, you see the joint right here? That just tilts it up and down. And this right here, this little gear wheel, that just turns it from side to side. But nothing rotates the screen. So when I came in to my house, I couldn't believe it. My view was sideways, and I thought, oh my God, I'm going to have to go buy a plate, a mounting plate, and I'm going to have a bracket out there, and it's going to be sitting out here with an L shape hanging out here, and then the camera's going to go here, mounted to here, then the wires are going to have to go here and into, and I thought, oh my God. Then I noticed, I'll take you outside and I'll show you the camera as soon as we get done. Then I noticed, here's the box. I went outside today, and right here, right behind here, on the back of this white part, the butt of the camera, there's a screw. And I was able to rotate this whole mechanism. And now I'm looking at ground and not looking at it sideways. So let's go outside and I'll show you the camera.